Let's have some fresh-made granola for breakfast this morning. Good morning, everyone. Thought I'd give you a addendum on the granola making. Right after I made it, put the granola in a bag. This zipper type or Ziploc bag, to use the brand name. The bag seems to keep it pretty fresh. I'll just take and drop a handful and a little bit in the bowl. It smells so good. And I'm using some Chobani yogurt. This is raspberry. And unlike other yogurts, you have to stir this because the fruit is on the bottom. This goes in. I put this on the bottom so that the granola can soak up a little moisture. And finally a banana. Of which I need a knife. And just cut this up just like this, and I've got a nice little breakfast. And I hope you all are having a good morning. Pouring down rain here in Oregon, but that's normal for this time of year. And thank you for watching.